in full sentence. It's okay describing what. Which do they describe? What do they describe? They are describing words what? Adjective words are describing words. They describe nouns or pronouns. Okay. And in previous exercise, you have changed nouns into adjectives. Now, I would like to tell you that there are 3 degrees of adjective. How many degrees? Positive, comparative and superlative. Okay. So in worksheet 5, you have to write the sentences using comparative degree. To rewrite the sentences. The sentences clues are given here, and the first is already done. Read and fast. And the full sentence is written. Sid can read faster than any other child. In the same way, you have to write the full sentence, second sentence, using learn and quickly. Quickly is an adjective, and to make it comparative, you have to use more before it. Sid can learn more quickly than any other child. Fill up your practice book. Sid can learn more quickly than any other child. Next sentence, you have to use speak and loudly. Adjective is loudly. Comparative degree of loudly is louder. So write the sentence. He can speak. He can speak louder. Louder. Louder than any other child. All of you start your video. I can see only one child, one student. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All of you start your video. Yes. He can speak louder than any other child. Have you written? Have you written? You can give the gesture if you have done. Okay. Fourth sentence, you have to use efficiently. Before efficiently, you will use more. He can work. He can work more efficiently than any other child. He can work more efficiently than any other child. All of you start your video. Very good. I want to see you writing. Riti, am I audible to you? Riti Shri? Okay. Have you written sentences? 3 sentences? Riti? Okay. Now see the next sentence. For writing the next sentence, rules are clean and good. He can. Comparative degree of good is better. He can clean better than any other child. He can clean better than any other child. So better is comparative degree of good. Next sentence, clues are dance and beautifully. So write the full sentence. He can dance. He can dance more beautifully than any other child. He can dance more beautifully than any other child. As I can see you because you have started your video, so you can raise your hands like this, like this. Raise your hand if you have written once. एक बार अपना hand raise करके फिर यहाँ पर हाँ. Okay, very good. So now let us proceed to worksheet 6. Worksheet 6. In this worksheet, what you have to do? Let us see. Read the following passage about Snoopy. The whole passage is about Snoopy. Who is Snoopy? Snoopy is a dog. Snoopy is the name of a dog. The pet dog of the Aryas. Now, and replace. You have to replace all the bold words. You can see bold words. Each member of the family, this is bold words. Okay, Riti? You should check it. Other students have not done it, so if you have done it, that's very good. So students, you have to replace all the bold words with suitable pronouns. Normally we use it for animals. Animals के लिए क्या use करते it, but for our pets, we prefer the various forms of he, she, to, it. मतलब it की जगह पर हम he और she का भी यूज कर सकते हैं अगर हमारा पेट एनिमल है उसके लिए, for the pet animal. Okay. So now complete the exercise. The family has a pet dog, Snoopy, and in the box you have to write the pronoun in place of bold writing. And here you have to write they. In place of each member of the family, you have to write they. Wait a little. In place erase they. In place of they, you should write it. It treats Snoopy. It, not they. It. It treats Snoopy, and beside Snoopy you can see there is a box. In place of Snoopy, in the box you have to write him. In first box write it, in second box write him. HIM. Am I audible? सौरभ, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? ओके ओके. फर्स्ट बॉक्स में इट लिखना है और सेकंड में हिम. फर्दर अगेन ट्रीट स्नूपी वेरी वेल. देन स्नूपी इज द लेजिएस्ट क्रीचर ऑन अर्थ. In this box, third box, you have to write he. He is the laziest creature on earth. He. Further, next sentence. Snoopy never moves unless it is for some mischief. In this box, that is the fourth box, you have to write he for Snoopy. He never moves unless it is for some mischief. Next, Snoopy loves destroying the neighbor's garden. Snoopy loves destroying the neighbor's garden. In this fifth box, you have to write again he for Snoopy. Snoopy के लिए आपको he लिखना है fifth box में. Okay. He loves destroying the neighbor's garden. वो neighbors के garden को destroy कर देता है, खराब कर देता है. Next, Snoopy pounces on the postman every time the postman comes to deliver the letter. So in sixth box you have to write he. That is for Snoopy. He pounces on the postman every time. Again you have to write he for the postman. He pounces on the postman every time he comes to deliver the letter. So you have written he 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And in the next box again you have to write he. Snoopy keeps on snoozing. In place of Snoopy we can use pronoun he keeps on snoozing. So Snoopy, family, these are the postman, these are the nouns, and in place of nouns we can use some words like he, she, it. These are pronouns. Next, Snoopy loves to eat his meals in his special place. Mrs. Arya gives Snoopy. Here, in this box, you have to write him for Snoopy. In second paragraph, in second stanza, Mrs. Arya gives Snoopy. Here you have to write him for Snoopy. Understood? Understood? समझ में आ रहा है? आपने लास्ट वाले बॉक्स में क्या बताया मैंने लिखने के लिए? शिवांश, राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स, लास्ट वाले बॉक्स में आपने क्या लिखा है? शिवांश, yes students, Shivansh, any other student can also write. I will see. In the last box, what have you written? Him. H-I-M, him. Mrs. Arya gives him special dog food every day. Further, in the next sentence, Mrs. Arya takes Snoopy. For Mrs. Arya, okay. For Mrs. Arya, now you have to write she. She takes Snoopy. Again, you have to write him for Snoopy. She for Mrs. Arya and him for Snoopy. So, she takes Snoopy out for a walk every morning. She takes him out for a walk every evening. Next sentence, Snoopy follows Mrs. Arya. In first box for Snoopy you have to write he, and in second box for Mrs. Arya you have to write her. He followed her everywhere. He followed her everywhere and loved her the most. Loved her the most. In this way, you have completed this exercise. Now write in the chat box, all of you, all the pronouns you have written in the boxes. You have to write them with the number. Total boxes are 14. You can count them. And what you have written in one. पहले आप नंबर लिखेंगे, फिर उसके आपने उस बॉक्स में कौन सा प्रोनाउन लिखा है वो लिखेंगे. Complete this activity so that I can check it whether you have done right or wrong. Total 14 boxes are there. नंबर के साथ में आप एक ही बॉक्स चैट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे कि आपने किस बॉक्स में क्या लिखा. जल्दी जल्दी टाइप करके भेज दीजिए. I will check it. Continue, start typing, hurry up. स्टार्ट टाइपिंग। किसको अनम्यूट किया हुआ है मैंने? स्पीकर, हु इज अनम्यूटेड? रिति। क्या होगा? रिति, अभी अच्छा अदिति, अदिति कुमारी आप है वहाँ या कहीं चली गई? हाँ अदिति, अदिति बोल नहीं रही क्या बात? रिति अनम्यूट करो, रिति अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। आप क्या शोर तो नहीं हो रहा है? आप क्या नॉइज तो नहीं हो रहा है? ठीक है, अब आप बोलिए। व्हाट हैव यू रिटन इन नंबर 1? टाइप भी करते जाओ, टाइप भी करते जाओ और बोलते भी जाओ, और फिर एक साथ। यस यस, वर्कशीट 6 फर्स्ट में क्या लिखा है? आप टाइप नहीं कर रहे हो? केवल एक ही प्रोनाउन लिखना है, इट। फर्स्ट में आपको लिखना है इट। आपने गलत लिख लिया था। सेकंड में क्या लिखा है आपने? हाँ, दैट इज करेक्ट। इन थर्ड बॉक्स, अच्छी बोलते जाओ। नहीं, नंबर भी बोलो, बॉक्स का नंबर भी बोलो, लिख लो पेंसिल से। यस यस, राइट। करेक्ट। राइट। यस यस, some of the students are writing. Yes, correct. 10 का she, 11 का him. Saurav has written. I can see that he has written correct answer. Next, Riti, 12. 11 के बाद एक आपने छोड़ दिया है, स्नूपी के लिए आप। हाँ, 12 में ही है, 13 में हर और 14 में हर। यस, हाँ ठीक है, आपका सही हो गया। हाँ, करेक्ट। So the words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. For example, he, she, him, it. Okay. Now, see page number 11. Complete exercise on page number 11. In first line, write down myself. That is reflexive pronoun. In second blank, fill up yourself. That is also reflexive pronoun. In third blank, fill up myself. You have to fill up reflexive or emphatic pronouns in the space provided. Part B of worksheet 6. Myself, yourself, myself, then again myself, and at last herself. Your homework is worksheet 7. That's all for today. Note down your homework. That is worksheet 7. Tomorrow we will discuss what is reflexive and what is emphatic pronoun. That's all for